So today we have here a Miele dishwasher, issue with the circulation pump. Error code was triggered, which indicates that the pump needs to be replaced. Here I got the new original part, straight from Miele. Here's the old one, already got it out almost. Everything's disconnected, water is drained. There we go, here's the old part. And we will be swapping it for a new one and testing it out shortly. Okay, so the part is replaced. I already did one test run. I was gonna do another one. Oops. Need to press the start button. There we go. So now it's gonna drain. Previously it didn't even fill up. It triggered the error code right away. But this time it's filling up, draining and washing. So while this is running, it's always good to double check if there's any leaks, especially in the places that we worked. So it's under, there, here and there. Whatever that was touched, it's always good to double check. Yeah, I did this job more than 1,000 times, but always need to check, no matter how many times it was done. It's dry, so yeah, keep on monitoring it for a few more cycles, and that should be it.